But it's boy Sweat, and yeah, we're in another video with not Bobby Bottom, not Naruto, Uzumaki, but we're in Smash World, and yeah, let's do this. And yeah, I will bring Bottle Flip next video and sports video, because I did leave a comment. I mean, I did leave a little voting poll in the basketball video, but let's do this. So we still level 29, and I'm just gonna turn it down. I know it's in headphones, but I just want you guys to hear me. Like the sometimes I always do, but let's go. I can't believe we're still. Oh, I remember this level. I hate this level. Okay, there we go. What? Uh, Alright, let's do this. No, he stayed out more than he was supposed to. Alright, let's go. Alright, sorry guys, I have to look at the time. Jump over it. Oh, I thought I could make it. Alright, let's just stop playing around, cause I don't want to be on this level so long. Come on, let's go. Oh my gosh. Alright, you got this. Do not die. Do not die. Come on. Okay, we killed him. So he don't have to kill us. Oh my god, I swear, that hit me. I would have been marvelous. Any secrets? I know secrets. I know. Whatever, let's go. Wait, I have to go out there. I'm stuck. Oh my god, I thought I was stuck. Okay, go away. Oh, wait, did I not just kill him though? But did I pass this part before? Yeah. Wait, okay, that spring thing can kill you. Let's take a life. I don't want to so bad, but I had to. Oh, yes, okay, I'm still big. Do not. I swear. Flower, please. Flower. Oh my god. If it's big. Okay, I'm about to say. Eh. Oh, that's stupid. Alright. We're still little, but we got this. No worries. We don't got no worries. I stop. Sorry guys, my throat has been cracking up. Yes, a diamond, even though I don't know what it does. Oh my gosh, what? I'm blaming on the diamond. If I start all the way over, I swear. Okay, I'm about to say. Alright. Good thing save points. Alright. We got this. Let's just kill it. We got this. Bruh. I was trying to do a slightly jump. Like a little jump. Okay, almost done. Alright. Do not die this time. Stupid little bird. Alright. Stop dropping all this doodoo, guys. Okay. Thank you for the little shortcut. I swear, that killed me. I definitely dunked that. Okay. Oh my god, I thought that beat it. Finally, I beat level 21. How many episodes have been? How I haven't finished this? I don't care about the score. Can you just give me some freaking coins? Like I want some coins so I could buy some. How much is the mushroom? And I want the flower. Alright, let's go. Level 23. Alright, no. Hornet move. Ugh. Oh gosh. Wait, oh, I forgot drops. I had fast reflexes. Like, I didn't even. Wait. I know there's a mushroom. Ugh. No. How you. Okay. Do, do not die. Alright. Alright. So let's go. We got this. We're about to be level 22. This is not even that hard. That was me right there. This is not even hard as 21. Nothing. He don't even got a lot of bounce. Oh my gosh. I hate these apps though. Like, cause you know how like especially on YouTube, you wanna watch like your favorite episode or like a new episode came up, but your stupid app is like 30 seconds. You have to wait and stuff. Maybe that's how I know. I have to watch like one of my shows when these stupid apps want to come up and talk about some, you know, like especially it's always songs. That the apps is. The apps is always full of freaking songs. It's annoying. Wait, this wasn't here before, was it? I don't know. Wait, I I didn't know. Alright, let's get all these coins. Go up there, guys. Oh shit, there's a lot of coins. It keeps going. Oh, alright, let me just get a few of these. I don't wanna. You can't go back, but I forgot you can. Eh, jump. Why am I doing short jumps? There you go. Was it a block or something? I don't. Alright, alright, we got this. We're doing this. Alright, we got a little shortcut. Okay, I can't stand these trees in the background. Was it there before? If it is, I'm stupid. Ugh. Oh, but I was just about to jump too. Can go down. Alright, please, I don't wanna die. I know it has to be a safe point. Come on. Oh my gosh. Please, please, please don't die. Please. Gosh, stop. Yeah, bottom flip. I just want to say bottom flip will come next episode. So I can't wait for that. And it is different. I just want to say there is different modes. Like if you got if you don't. Oh my god. Alright. It's like different modes. Like I'll show you on the game. But yeah, it is different modes and stuff. And yeah, that's all I want to say. Come on. Do not die. Alright, step on a little snail, slow Gary. Or sponge. Oh, I swear. Alright. Oh my gosh. I don't know how many minutes it's been, guys, but we're gonna end it when we die again. If, alright, guys. That was stupid. Alright, just one more time. One more time. Alright, one more time. Let's kill it. Let's kill it. Let's kill it. Okay. Yep. Okay. I saw that coming. Ugh. It lagged, bro. I don't know if you guys saw that, but it lagged. Alright, guys. I'll see you guys later. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. We're gonna bring back bottle flip and and actually I feel like it's been not that long. Yeah, oops. Have we started? I'm gonna actually play for a little more, guys, cause I don't think it's been that long. I'm gonna die one. I'm gonna die 2 times this time. 2 times, and I'm gonna end the video. Next time I have a time limit, cause I'm gonna use my laptop as a time limit next time. Stupid bird. Alright, let's go. What? I thought I jumped over him. Oh my god. Every time I have to die, I have to start over. I have to start over in this stupid part. Yeah, guys, just in the other video, Black Ops 3 will come like tomorrow or I think tomorrow or because today is Friday, so it may come in Saturday or Sunday, something like that. Do not. Alright guys, I'm just gonna end the video right here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like, subscribe, leave it in the description, comment down below, anything like, I don't know, some stuff, and yeah, don't forget to go to that basketball video, comment down below, and do, cause I did a voting poll, I mean not really, but I just said that, what other sports game should I play, and yeah, I'll see you guys later. Oh, and I just want to show you, even though it's maybe gonna be a little screen, I just want to show you real quick how what it's like, the different mods and stuff. Yeah, mods, not modes. The heck? So play. See, look, there's different of these. Guys, I passed that part that was impossible. I definitely passed it. I passed it, but I'm gonna play the next video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye, Swagger Keo.